Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create a donut chart in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the data which you want to present on the chart. So after selecting the data, so here you can see insert option, so just click on it, and then you can see insert pie or donut chart option, so click on it. So after that you can see donut chart at the end, so just click on it. So when you will click on it, your data is converted into the donut chart. So if you want to change the position, size, chart title, chart style, or if you want to label the chart, or if you want to edit the chart, so just watch my full video. So if you want to change the position of the chart, so just place the cursor on the blank area of the chart and then press the left side of mouse and drag to according to your needs. So you can see chart is moving. So guys, in this way you can change the position of chart. So if you want to change the size of chart, so just place the cursor at the corner of the chart and then press the left side of mouse and drag to according to your needs. You can see size is changed. So guys, if you want to change the chart title, so just click on it. So after that you can change the chart title. So after changing, again click the blank area of the chart. So you can see chart title is changed. So if you want to change the color of chart title, so just click on it and then click the right side of mouse, and here you can see fill options, so click on it. So here you can select any color according to you. So after selecting the color, click on OK. So if you want to change the chart style, so here you can see chart style options, or here you can see chart design. In chart design you can see chart style options, so you can select any chart style. So after selecting the chart style, click on OK. So in this way you can change the chart style. So guys, if you want to change the chart color, so you can see change color option, so you can select any color according to you. So if you want to label the chart, so just click on plus options, and here you can see data label option, so just click on it. You can see data is labeled on the chart. So guys, if you want to remove any data from the chart, so here you can see chart filter option, so just click on it. So here if you will unselect anyone, that data will removed from the chart. So for example, I want to remove January data from the chart, so just I will unselect and then click on apply. So when I will click on apply, January data is removed from the chart. So you can see January data is removed from the chart. So guys, in this way you can remove any data from the chart, and you can change the style of the chart, you can change the color of chart, you can change the chart title, or you can change the position or size of chart. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.